Hi, so I'm going to a farmers market type of thing event. I was invited by Zimele.
I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition.
Zimele, look, I so much more deco.
We are very proud of our Luna. I tunel about
Oh, why? Kisses. Plus, can come to who's what? Can come to daughter. Zimele.
ED0, ED1, and ED2. The ED2 is open, ED0 is open.
Zimele, look, I but you take it in a didn't say an air.
Probably also do your
Okay, you didn't.
even watching your couches at home. You can even
Alright, no. I got the lyrics and the coffee.
in your company.
Oh, I got the coffee package.
Three people are not awake.
This is my kind of vibe, okay? Can you the rattan say no nothing? Yeah. Oh, this is so nice. Zimele, get there. Who won't learn how to get gift bag? What?
Corporate gift.
Give a guy a corporate gift. This one.
Like I do.
Many moons later. So this day was Sunday. I had a business meeting at East London. So I drove from Kuruman Saturday morning and I arrived in Umtata Sunday early mornings so that I can travel to East London for my meeting and go to the beach. You guys, as you guys know, where the beach is at, standard procedure, I have to go inside. So this is me arriving at East London and then quickly going to grab some breakfast at Wimpy. And then after some breakfast, I went to my meeting, and after my meeting I came back to the ocean, and then I got in, enjoyed, and drove back to Kuruman. Yo guys, it was a lot, but I enjoyed it nevertheless.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you